So for rural islands, we focus the market outputs on value-added products. So for example, instead of, coconuts, we create or train on organic virgin coconut oil, things like that, things that have a longer shelf life and a greater market value. So for myself, I've just turned 30. I have 3 staff now, also maximum 32. Yeah, in terms of the people that engage in the platform, we've got 152 registered producers. That's looking to expand to around 3,500 by December next year as part of some new islands coming on board with the organic certification process. The average age of farmers in Fiji is around 56, but we focus predominantly on youth projects. So the majority of people that we work with are, in fact, under 35. And we find, like, in the Pacific or in Fiji particularly, there's a lot of energy around that. We're fortunate that we've got some high-value commodities that are bringing youth back to the farm and making it a more viable solution than, minimum wage job in a city. I think always being open to learning is really important, but probably the most valuable thing that I've started to take on is just the importance of culture in developing economic models that really work for rural communities. Definitely valuing those cultural inputs and that way of being and trying to create models that support and strengthen that. I think Fiji is great in the fact that, it's a small population, but the challenges are the same. And if anything, those challenges are magnified because we're islands. So it's a great place, I think, to see what's working, what solutions are working. If you can create a market with 100 people, then you should be able to create a market with 1,000 people, So it's just about, coming to see what's happening and then, scaling it up. But in terms of opportunities for youth, they're definitely there. It's particularly, I think, in value addition, manufacturing, and focusing on that part of the value chain.